Hi, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Band 6 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the workouts on this device. First, I'm gonna show you how to access the workouts on this device. So let's wake up the screen on our band. To do it, tap on the screen a couple of times. Now we need to open the menu, and to do it, simply swipe up or down on the screen, like this. Now scroll through the menu, find the option called Workout and tap on it. And here we have the list of workouts. We have the main list. Basically you have workouts like outdoor dance, treadmill, and at the bottom you have option called More. And this is the list. This is the rest of the list because you have more workouts on this device, but some of them are hidden because you can have only up to 11 workouts on this main list. So let's tap on More, and here we have even more workouts, as you can see, and we can customize this list. So to do it, we need to open the Mi Fit app on our phone. In the app, we need to tap on Profile. Here we need to select our XIAOMI Mi Band 6 from the list of devices, Mi Smart Band 6. Then tap on Band Settings. And here we have Workout Settings. Tap on it. And as you can see, we have the list of workouts, and we have also a list of more workouts. So we can have only 11 items on the main list of workouts. So for example, you want to have gymnastics on it, but you already have 11 items, you can't add more. So we need to remove one. To do it, simply tap on the minus button next to one you want to remove. For example, I'm gonna remove treadmill, like this. And now I can add my gymnastics by tapping the plus button right here next to it on the more workouts list, like that. And here we have it. And then I can tap Save button to save my settings. And when I open the workout menu, I will have my gymnastics right here on this list, as you can see. We can also move the items, reorder them basically, change the order of the list. To do it, simply find the item you want to move. For example, I want to move the gymnastics to the top of the list. To do it, press and hold on this sort button next to the item you want to move, right here on the right side, and drag it to the position you want it to be in, and then release it like this, and then tap Save, of course, to save the settings. And now when you open the workout, the gymnastics are gonna be first. You can of course remove basically most of them. Let's say I want to have only a couple of the workouts, so let's remove all of them. Let's leave the gymnastics and tap Save, and now I will have only the gymnastic on my workouts, and the rest is gonna be hidden in the More list. And that's about it basically. You can also add them. I think I already said that, but you can add the workouts like that from the More list to the main list like this. It's hard to hit the button actually, and then tap Save to save it. And that's how you customize the workouts list basically. Oh, as you can see, here it is. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.